Phishing. In the field of computer security, phishing is a criminal practice used to acquire sensitive information such as usernames, passwords, banking, and credit card details by manipulating the original resources. Phishing technique came into practice in early days of 1987, and the first crime was reported in 1996. Literally, phishing is defined as the art of manipulating original website and gaining confidential information and credentials by redirecting. Disclaimer. In this demonstration, we are going to show basic mechanisms to create phishing pages. We request all the members to use this information only for the educational and defending purpose. IHC is not responsible for any sort of illegal phishing activities produced by members. A little bit of PHP programming is necessary for making phishing pages manually. There is no need to worry if you don't have programming knowledge, because we are going to make you learn in this tutorial. However, we are also providing tutorial with tools. As a first step, we have to select the web page to manipulate. In this demonstration, I am going to create phishing page of Yahoo login page. Open yahoomail.com. Here what we are seeing is the graphical view. In order to manipulate, we need to edit source code. For this, right click on it and select view source, or simply press Ctrl U. Copy all the content of source code into your notepad. Ctrl A, copy, and open notepad and paste it. OK, now we acquired source code to manipulate, and now we have to find the redirecting link. Press Ctrl F and search for the word action. Well, copy the link into notepad and replace it with login.php. Save it as index.php. index.php and click on Save button. Our next task is to create login.php file to redirect all the input content in our database. This is a small PHP script used to create login.php file. First line indicates syntax to open PHP program. Second line is used to redirect the original page after our activities. Third line to obtain username and passwords in our database. And remaining part is for page redirecting and assigning values. Copy the code from IHC toolbox into notepad. In location, we have to keep the original link which we have copied from the action in source code. Copy the link and paste it. Now save this as login.php. File, save as login.php. Save as, type all files and click on Save button. Create a notepad with name pass.txt as we mentioned in PHP script. Pass.txt. Well, we need a hosting site to upload all our content, like index.php, login.php and pass.txt. There are many hosting sites on internet which are providing for free, like Ripway, T35, extendhosting.com, etc. Upload all these files to any hosting site. For this demonstration, I am using extendhosting.com. After getting registered into extendhosting.com, it will provide a cPanel. Now log in into the cPanel. Now type username and password. and click on Login. Next, go to File Manager and click on Upload button and upload all the 3 files: index.php, login.php, pass.txt. Well, we have successfully uploaded all the 3 files. Now change all the files permissions to 777. Send extend hosting link to the victim and make him to log in. For this demonstration, I am logging into the fake page. When victim opens the link, he feels it as a Yahoo login page and he will enter the username and password. And he will click on Login. Whenever victim login into the phishing page, he will redirect to original Yahoo page and all the data will be stored in our pass.txt file. Now open pass.txt file to view the username and password. Here it is. You can see the login ID and password. In this way, you can make phishing pages for any website. The process will be similar to all the pages. First you need to change the action link and you need to upload all the 3 files and send the link to the victim.